Yes, you can use shop air instead of compressed air from a portable compressor to recharge aerosol spray cans, provided you control moisture, particulate, and pressure. Shop air must be thoroughly dried and filtered before it touches a can because moisture will react with propellants and solvents and can cause sputtering or accelerate corrosion inside the can. Install a water separator and a coalescing filter at the line, followed by an inline desiccant or refrigerated air dryer if you have frequent need. Regulate pressure with a reliable pressure regulator set to the can manufacturer recommended fill pressure, and use a calibrated gauge so you do not overpressurize the can. Use a particulate filter with a micron rating appropriate for paint and solvent work, typically 1 micron or better, to prevent nozzle clogging and contamination. Purge the fill hose and any fittings before connecting to the aerosol to expel trapped condensate or debris, and use stainless steel or brass fittings rather than cheap plated steel that can flake. Work in short fills and let the can rest between partial fills so internal temperatures equalize, which prevents overpressure from heating and gives a more predictable fill volume. Common mistakes are using wet air that injects water into the can, which causes sputtering and poor spray patterns, so always add drying and separation to the line. Another frequent error is relying on an unregulated or inaccurate pressure source, which can overfill and rupture the can or underfill and produce poor atomization, so fit a calibrated regulator and double-check gauges before each fill. A third problem is introducing particulate and rust from untreated shop lines that clog tips and ruin finishes. So install proper micron filtration and purge lines before connecting, and clean or replace fittings regularly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects like spray work and provides resources on equipment choices and safe practices. We also host a discussion community where contractors and DIYers share experiences, troubleshooting tips, and vendor recommendations to help both homeowners find help and contractors find work.